In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, finding moments of relaxation has become increasingly challenging. However, the digital era has also ushered in a new wave of innovative techniques and platforms designed to help individuals unwind and find inner peace. Online spaces have become a hub for exploring and practicing various relaxation methods, ranging from ancient practices to contemporary modalities. But in recent years, a peculiar and fascinating phenomenon has taken the internet by storm. Autonomous sensory meridian response, or popularly known as ASMR, is a term used to describe the tingling sensation that some individuals experience in response to specific auditory or visual stimuli. These videos, often characterized by soft whispers, gentle tapping, and soothing sounds, have gained immense popularity and become viral sensations across various online platforms. There is a wide variety of ASMR videos available, each catering to different preferences and triggers, which include haircut roleplays, spa treatments, medical examinations, or personal attention scenarios, like virtual massages and chiropractic treatments. This video explores the reasons why ASMR videos have become such a viral sensation in today's digital era. The origin of ASMR as a term and a recognized phenomenon can be traced back to online discussions and communities in the late 2000s. While the concept of pleasurable sensations triggered by certain sounds or stimuli has likely existed for much longer, it wasn't until the internet age that ASMR gained widespread recognition. In 2007, a woman named Jennifer Allen coined the term autonomous sensory meridian response on a health discussion forum. It described the tingling sensations she experienced while listening to certain sounds. This term quickly gained traction among online communities, and people started sharing their similar experiences and triggers. Early ASMR videos primarily appeared only on platforms like YouTube, where individuals would create content specifically designed to trigger the ASMR response in viewers. These videos featured a range of auditory and visual stimuli, including gentle whispering, tapping, scratching, roleplays, and other relaxing sounds. As the community grew, specialists in this field emerged, creating and sharing ASMR content and fostering a dedicated following. While ASMR gained popularity in the online community, scientific research into the phenomenon was limited initially. It wasn't until 2015 that the first scientific study on ASMR was published in the journal Peerage, led by Dr. Craig Richard. This study aimed to explore the physiological and psychological aspects of ASMR and provided scientific validation for the existence and potential benefits of ASMR. Since then, interest in ASMR has continued to grow, and more research has been conducted to understand its mechanisms and effects. Scientific studies have explored brain activity during ASMR experiences, the role of oxytocin and endorphins, and the potential therapeutic applications of ASMR for stress reduction and sleep improvement. In today's fast-paced and stressful world, many individuals seek solace and relaxation amidst the chaos. ASMR videos offer a refuge from the demands of daily life, providing a sensory experience that can alleviate stress and anxiety. The gentle whispers, calming sounds, and slow-paced visuals create a serene atmosphere, triggering a soothing response that helps individuals unwind. Consequently, the popularity of ASMR videos has soared as people increasingly turn to them as a form of digital therapy. One of the basic reasons behind the viral nature of ASMR videos lies in their ability to forge an intimate connection between the creator and the viewer. ASMR specialists engage in whispered conversations, maintaining eye contact with the camera and simulating personal attention. These intimate gestures give viewers a sense of being cared for and attended to, which is particularly appealing in a world that can often feel isolating and impersonal. This sense of connection fosters a loyal following and drives the virality of ASMR videos as viewers eagerly seek to replicate this comforting bond. ASMR videos exploit the power of sensory stimulation to captivate audiences. The use of binaural microphones and high-quality recording equipment allows for a heightened auditory experience, where viewers can perceive sounds in a three-dimensional space. This realistic and immersive audio experience intensifies the tingling sensation associated with ASMR, creating a deeply satisfying and pleasurable response. Furthermore, ASMR videos often incorporate visually stimulating elements, such as intricate hand movements or object manipulation, further enhancing the sensory experience and contributing to their viral appeal. Generally, watching ASMR videos is considered safe and does not pose significant health risks. However, it is essential to note that individual experiences may vary, and some people may have unique sensitivities or specific health conditions that could influence their response to ASMR content. While ASMR videos aim to provide relaxation and sensory stimulation, some individuals may find certain triggers or sounds overwhelming or overstimulating. People who are sensitive to auditory or visual stimuli may experience discomfort or anxiety when exposed to intense ASMR stimuli. It's important to listen to your body's response and stop watching if you feel overwhelmed. While ASMR is designed to be pleasant and soothing, some sounds or triggers used in videos may unintentionally trigger negative responses in individuals with misophonia. It is a condition characterized by a strong negative emotional or physiological response to specific sounds. It is advisable for those with this condition to be cautious and select ASMR content that avoids triggering their specific sensitivities. ASMR videos are often used as a relaxation aid, particularly to promote better sleep. While this can be beneficial for individuals who have trouble sleeping, it's important to be aware of the potential for excessive drowsiness. If you find that ASMR videos make you excessively sleepy, it may be best to watch them when you can safely relax or before bedtime. The global reach and accessibility of ASMR content have contributed to its widespread popularity, allowing individuals from diverse backgrounds to engage with and benefit from the soothing experiences these videos offer. As the understanding and appreciation of ASMR continue to grow, it is likely that these videos will continue to captivate audiences and provide a source of comfort and tranquility in the online world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Until next time, stay relaxed.